Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, carrier support, and an active Volte provisioning on your account. Once done, update the phone OS and carrier settings because software mismatches often block Volte. Make sure the SIM is in the primary slot and reboot. A fresh start loads the carrier profile. Then temporarily turn off Wi-Fi calling and any call blocking apps so they don't interfere. These first steps remove common software and provisioning roadblocks, and set the phone to request Volte from the network. Next, enable the Volte toggle in cellular or call settings and choose 4G/Volte as the preferred network mode. If the option is missing, reset network settings to restore hidden toggles. Then inspect the APN and IMS configuration. Incorrect APN or missing IMS values prevent registration, so match the carrier's MCC/MNC and IMS fields or reset APN to defaults. Once adjusted, use the phone's network diagnostic codes or a diagnostics app to confirm IMS registration. This verifies the phone and network have agreed to carry Volte calls. Finish by rebooting and testing with an actual call while on 4G only. You should see HD or Volte indicator and clearer voice. If Volte still fails, contact your carrier. Often they must enable provisioning or issue a new SIM. Make sure to mention IMS registration failure when you speak with support. If advised, try toggling airplane mode, reinstalling carrier updates, or, as a last resort, a factory reset after backing up. These final steps resolve persistent software or provisioning issues and get Volte back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.